Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Now, let us move to the examples related to transpose of a matrix. Okay, in the previous videos, we have seen examples related to multiplication of two matrices. Now, we will see transpose of a matrix. So, let us start with one of the simplest example, that is the first property of transpose of a matrix. What is it? Matrix A is given, you have to prove that A transpose of transpose is equal to A. So let us first find out A transpose. A transpose means what? Rows and columns will get interchanged. So here order of this matrix is 3 by 2. So what will be order of our transpose matrix? It will become 2 by 3. That is, first row will become first column, 5 minus 3. Second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. So order has changed. It becomes 2 by 3. Okay. So this is called transpose of a matrix. Now we have to take again transpose of this matrix. Second time. So when we again take transpose, this row will become column. So 5, 4, minus 2. And second row will become second column. So minus 3, 1. So again the order is interchanged, it is 3 by 2, and here you can observe matrix A and A transpose of transpose is equal. Therefore, A transpose of transpose, this is equal to A, hence proved. Okay, so when you take twice the transpose, you get the original matrix, first property. Now let us move to the next example. In this example, three matrices are given to you of the same order, and you have to prove that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. So let us start with the first part. What is your first part? First part is, take your LHS. First you have to find A plus B, and then we will find the transpose. So first find out what is A plus B. A plus B, you have to add both the matrices. 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1, plus 2, 1, 4, minus 1, minus 3, 3. So what do you get here? 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 5 plus 4, 9. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So first add the matrix A and B. Just add the corresponding elements and you get the matrix A plus B. Now we will find A plus B transpose. So A plus B transpose. Now row will become column. So this is 4 minus 2, 9 minus 5 and minus 9, 4. Name this as step 1. This is your LHS. Now in RHS, what do you see? It is A transpose plus B transpose. So first we will find out what is A transpose. So A transpose is equal to, first row will become first column, 2 minus 3. Second row, 5 minus 4 will become second column, and minus 6, 1 becomes your third column. Similarly, what is B transpose? B transpose will become first row 2, 1 will become first column, 4 minus 1 minus 3, 3. Yes, so we have found out A transpose and B transpose. Now we will add this. So A transpose plus B transpose is equal to 2, 5 minus 6 minus 3 minus 4, 1 plus 2, 4 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 3. Add 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 minus 3 plus 1, minus 2, minus 4 minus 1, minus 5, 1 plus 3, 4. So this is your A transpose plus B transpose. Name this as 2. So just check your first and the second step. Are the matrices same? 4, 9, minus 9 first row, 4, 9, minus 9 first row, minus 2, minus 5, 4, minus 2, minus 5, 4. So from 1 and 2, the first property is proved. So from 1 and 2, A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, now we have seen part A, we will move to part B. Now in part B, you have to prove that A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. So first we will find out A minus C. So A minus C is equal to, first write matrix A, 2, 5, minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, 1. Minus matrix C, it is 1, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 4, 3. Okay, now subtraction, so please be careful for the signs. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 5 minus of minus means plus. 5 plus 1 is 6. Minus 6 minus of minus 2 means plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Yes, minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 4 is minus 8. And 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay, so subtract properly the elements. So this is your A minus C. After finding A minus C, your LHS is A minus C transpose. So we will see what is A minus C transpose. It is equal to, change the row and column. So first column will become first row, that is 1, 6, minus 4, and second column will become second row, minus 5, minus 8, minus 2. So name this as equation 1, that is your LHS. Now in RHS, you have to find A transpose and C transpose, and then you have to subtract. So first write what is A transpose. So A transpose is, this first column will become first row, 2, 5, minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, 1, and C transpose is, this row, this column will become first row, so 1, minus 2, and second column will become second row, 2, 4, 3. So now we have found out A transpose and C transpose. Now we will subtract them. So A transpose minus C transpose, it is equal to 2, 5, minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, and 2, 4, 3. Yes, 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus of minus 2 means minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Then minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 4 is minus 8, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this is your A transpose minus C transpose. Now look at step 1 and step 2. In step 1, what is your first row? 1, 6, minus 4. Here also your first row is 1, 6, minus 4. Then second row is minus 5, 8, minus 2, minus 5, 8, minus 2. That means what? From step 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. Okay, so here you have understood, this is one of your property, that is matrix transformation is commutative with addition. Also in this example we have seen it is commutative with subtraction. So whether you do addition first and then you take the transpose, or you do the transpose of the matrix first and then you do the addition, you are going to get the same answer. Similar follows with the subtraction. Whether you do subtraction of matrices first and then take the transpose, or you take the transpose first and then do the subtraction of matrices, you are going to get the same answer. Okay. Now next example we will see. Matrix A and matrix B is given to you. You are supposed to find these two values. Okay. So let us first start with the A section. In A section you want A transpose. So first we will write A transpose. So this row will become the first column, 7, 3, 0, and this row will become the second column, that is 0, 4, minus 2. Then you require B transpose. So we will find out B transpose. B transpose is this first row will become first column, 0, minus 2, 3, and the second row will become second column, that is 2, 1, minus 4. Okay, so we have found out A transpose and B transpose. It will be useful us to find both the values. So let us find the first value, that is A transpose plus 4 into, first we will find out 4 into B transpose. So 4 into B transpose is equal to 4 into B transpose value, that is 0, 2, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 4. So you have to multiply each element by 4 and you will get 4 into B transpose. So 4 into 0 is 0. 4 2s are 8. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. Okay. So multiply each element by 4 and you get 4 into B transpose. Then first value is A transpose plus 4 into B transpose. So what it is equal to? A transpose is 7, 0, 3, 4, 0, minus 2 plus this 4 into B transpose, that is 0, 8, minus 8, 4, 12, minus 16. Now add these two values. So what is your answer? 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 8 is 8. 3 plus of minus 8 means 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 plus 12 is 12. And minus 2 minus 16 is minus 18. So this is your first answer, that is A transpose plus 4 into B transpose. Okay, so first what we did, we first found out A transpose, then we found out B transpose. In the first value you have to find 4 into B transpose, that we have found here, and then we added A transpose plus 4 into B transpose and you get this value. Already we have A transpose and B transpose. For the second part, what you have to find out? 5 into A transpose and 5 into B transpose. So 5 into A transpose minus 5 into B transpose. So 5 into A transpose is 7, 0, 3, 4, 0, minus 2 minus 5 into B transpose is 0, 2, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 4. 5 into. Now first we will multiply this matrix by 5 and we also multiply this matrix by 5. So what you get is 7 5s are 35. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. Then 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into minus 2 is 10. Minus. Multiply the next matrix also by 5. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 into 2 is minus 10. 5 into 1 5. 5 3s are 50. And 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Okay, now we will subtract these two matrices. 35 minus 0 is 35. Then 0 minus 10 is minus 10. 15 minus of minus 10 means plus 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. Then 20 minus 5 is 15. 0 minus of 15 is minus 15. And minus 10 minus of minus 20 is plus 20. Minus 10 plus 20 is 10. So this is 5 into A transpose minus 5 into B transpose. So like this you can find the transpose, then according to the given condition multiply the scalar, then add or subtract. You will get the answer. So this is your answer for part B.